if the Supreme Court says that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not the president, if he wants to use force, the law enforcement agency will kick him out of there. That is the law. Maybe this one, there's some sort of guna that is taking place. The Benin cannot go to Bayelsa to say that Bayelsa is their own, or the Benin want to contest for an election in Bayelsa. That is their state. It is clear. Do not sell land to these people no more. And any land that is being sold is on rent. It's on rent. If there is any land that is being sold or transferred, it's on rent. We cannot sell land to those that we thought that they are our own, and they will start taking it from us again. We cannot. When the Yorubas were saying these people should go, we thought that they were just being wicked. Now we are now seeing it with our own eyes. It is not happening now in our eyes. All what is going on is a lesson. It's a lesson to us. You should not allow it. If you do what you are, Kemi ni ayagwalu wa hia fefe o hia do fin wa o se be ni tire o hia ye betie ni ka o betie emi du o hia ye.
It has been raining since morning, but I still have to do this video. Sometimes last year, Ruben Abati made a video saying Ijaws don't sell land. And that trended left and right. Igbo people know they sell land. Igbo people do this, Igbo people do that. They don't sell land, but they come to Lagos, they buy land, they do this, they do that. I smile. We ask a very simple question. If Igbo people don't sell land, give you in Anambra, they don't sell land, give you in Enugu State, they don't sell land, give you in Ebonyi State, they don't sell land, give you in Abia, they don't sell land, give you in Imo State. How many of you has property in River State? How many of you have properties in Akwa Ibom and Cross River? How many of you has property in Delta State, the Anyama region that you proclaim that it's not Igbo? How many of you have properties there? How many of you have property in Edo State? Igbo people know they sell land. Igbo people know they sell land. They are just trying to. Some people were even gaslighting. Igbo no get land now. How they go sell land give you? No be landlock. Kiniko. Ijaws no get land. Ijaws water. But Ijaws man is not allowed to rent a house in Benin because of this small saga in Edo State. If I tell you that Igbos are not tribalistic, Igbos are not what you paint them to be, you guys just hate them. That you always want to negate everything that happens in Igbo land as if it's only Igbo land is happening. We're not saying there are not people who might decide to say, oh no, we don't sell this family land, we don't want to sell and give strangers. They have a reason. But when you say Igbos, you generalize it. You use one evil, rub everybody on the body. But see it now. A Benin man is telling Benin people they should stop giving house rent to the Ijaws because they have small fracas between Ijaws. What of Urobo that in Edo State? They also tenants there? Because some of you don't know. You see why I say that ignorance is the brain of the problem. And when we say that Beninese are the land grabbers, many of you think that we are just trying to insult them. I just they watch internet and they say, wait be this one. Now these people don't know that they call the state Edo State does not mean that the land belongs to you. The state is a multi-ethnic group. You start calling people that own an ancestral land for over 500 years a tenant. Collect cutlass may pursue them come out now. Relocate them. Send them to IDP camp. Clear the place and own it now. What are they wait for? It's very, very annoying in the 21st century. Land. Funny enough that all you know they fight for. When people are moving to gas, people are even moving to electric energy. All you will go soon fade out. If Nigeria is a system where it's working, by now would have left oil, would have used the money that oil was given us since 1957, oil was discovered, would have used the money to develop more than China. And then by now, nobody will be talking about crude oil or anything. Would have moved on. AKA people, now so Fulani go there, they grab land in the 21st century. When people are taking over the sky, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, they are thinking of going to the space. They are thinking of owning the sky for their social media platform to work. You are still fighting on the ground. You are see, that's why now road politicians they use campaign. When people are using something of AI innovation to campaign, we are using road to campaign. Don't you see how awkward, how backward, how archaic, how ancient we are? When people like us are telling you something you're supposed to know, you are here to say, Igbo people are doing this, Igbo people are doing that. When I continue, I told you we should fight. Now, this thing has exposed all of you. Tomorrow now, you see them coming to my comment section and say, you Igbos are this. You walk past them. That because they never give you gun, you go walk past them. Since the Igbos are having issues of land with the Ijaws, are claiming some community. Even you, Edo State, have you seen any man say, if Edo man or Benin man come, since we are dragging this matter, have you seen any of us saying, if a Benin man want to rent house in any of our normal region, no give up? Have you ever seen any Imo State man or the Ikwere people telling them, say, if a German want rent house? We have not done anything such. But once you reach now, your Yoruba nature shows. Because when we say you're Yoruba, I think it's a lie. It's only Yoruba and you guys that can do this. You say it's only one person, but this is an average man that most of you have. Because if you go to the comment section, you'll be seeing that said, good message. This is what we want. We want exactly. When you support it, you know that that's the average mindset of a Benin man. It's an Yoruba culture. Where once person starts dragging or having issue with you, you start remembering that you own a land, you will chase them away, you pursue them into the lagoon like the Oba of Lagos said one time to the Igbos. Evidence don't they show. Small thing when I don't bring out on a tribalistic nature, they show. But like I said, it's also good for the Ijaws. Because now them they start all these things. Don't of you they content where you are. But every time is the Southeastern Igbos, you have not seen any Igbo man going up and down, forming committee, saying they are going to this place. We, is Igbos in the Sasa, we are the ones saying, this land that we live is our land, is Igbo land. But you people get it angry. You always want to point accusing finger to Southeastern Igbo. We in the South are the ones saying, this is an Igbo land. The South Igbos, the IIC in River State, are the one saying that place we are a chill, Ndoni Igbo land, but we just are the one trying to accuse the Southeastern Igbo. But you never see any organization in the Southeast going up and down from one village to another saying this place is an Igbo land, or he just should not claim it. It's an Igbo land, or Benin should not claim it. You never see it. As I'm talking to you now, Benin guys are forcing Iruegbede to reject their origin. I go lie for you. Anything I talk is verifiable. Evidence they yakpa. They are forcing the Iruegbede to reject their land, their village, their ancestry. Tell them say we never talk about Anyama State. This and that. In Edo State, I'm talking you. Iruegbede is a village. They don't give them audio with a sharp. Bring a Benin man to rule them. I beg. See, I like what is going on. I love it because it's exposing you people. Bridge don't blow, they don't see fire nyash. I'm out of here, Joe.